did, I had to add some Hey Sailor. Thought, you know, it was looking really green, because look over here. Whoop, see over here? And it's beautiful. It's just turned into a sort of, reminding me of sort of a seaweedy kind of, still have the greens in there, but there's a happier blue in there. It's looking a little too green on the lighter areas. This is Hey Sailor. It's a navy, but it's not a true navy because it's brighter. I'm just gonna spray all of this and we'll just see what happens. Oh my gosh. This is the good stuff to me right here. So what I'm gonna do is add the blue in here so it can kind of mix a little bit. But I don't want it to cover it completely. I want that beautiful teal to be through there too. And there's no right or wrong, because who gets to say that? Think about that. When we're making art out of furniture, if there's a right and a wrong way, then I would want to say who gets to pick that. And Cinco is in his crate. It's in there, and what he was tearing up, Blake's birth certificate. Plastic, paper, cardboard, shreds it completely. But that birth certificate of my son was torn, a tiny little piece in the bottom, and it was just laying flat on the ground. That was God. It's him sending a guardian angel to go, stop that dog, she'll lose her mind. All right, we'll let those blend a little bit. I love that right there. That's just pretty. Let it drip a tiny bit. If you have questions, please, I hope you ask them. So I want to show you this. Look down here. Look at that. Okay, I wouldn't paint that. I don't often see hardware that I'm gonna leave and not do. I usually put layer paint on there and wax, and then, but this, that's amazing. All right, thank you guys for watching. I would love if you share this or give it a like or tag a friend. Thanks. I could also use a liquid sealer, a top coat, just any water-based liquid top coat that does not yellow. Big Top is completely clear. I just like wax because, you know, it can't drip. This is just like putting conditioning oil on this. Okay, I'm going to use the almost empty can of boho blue because there's some in the very bottom there. I'm going to add a little bit of the wax and then just mix it together and we'll see what we have. Not that much. Now we have a tinted colored wax. It looks like that. That's lovely. You don't want to let it dry if you're going to be wiping any off. Oh gosh, look at that. That is just stellar. You see that in the grooves there? I'll work it in there. This is my paint pixie. It's called a French tip. Easier than a big one. You shouldn't do a very large area at once. So I'm being stupid right now. I didn't want to stop. If it dries and you don't like it, you can add some more wax just by itself. Really like it. After this, we'll work on the bottom half. Because I took the thing off the thing. Forgot my point. I'm sorry. It's been a very long day. I did use our patio heater. My husband bought one of those tall things like that they put on patios at restaurants. And I painted one winter in the garage with that running, with the gas. And then I read later, it's not supposed to be enclosed.